Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I have yet again another mystery box unboxing for you guys. Yesterday I uploaded and shared with you the Morphe, it's making a lot of noise because there's still stuff inside of it, the surprise box. This is the 9-piece face and eye collection mystery box from Morphe. Now these are the first boxes of their kind. They launched 2 different versions. I went ahead and started with just purchasing the $50 box. I kind of wanted to see what was inside and if I would enjoy it, and see if it was worth purchasing the smaller box. I know that seems kind of backwards. Most people would be like, well, wouldn't you start off with the smaller box? But I really don't know how I came to wanting to start with the $50 one. Nonetheless, I decided to head into my local Morphe store here at the Mall of America, and it turns out that they still had the $35 smaller box. This is the Eye Love Mysteries 5-piece eye collection. I had so much fun filming the larger box. I really enjoyed the products that I got. If you haven't checked that video out already, I will link that up here in the card somewhere or somewhere down in the description box so that you can go ahead and check out what I got in my box, because it was really good. So I am hoping that I also got an awesome 5-piece box as well. I have no idea what is on the inside. The only thing I have done is undone the tape right here so that I had it ready and we could go ahead and unbox this together. So enough chit chat. With that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into it and let's see if my smaller box was worth the money. All right, so this is going to have 5 items inside of it. I am not going to look. I'm just going to go ahead and reach inside and see what I can grab here. And the first thing is a set of false lashes. So this is their premium lashes. This is in the style of luxurious. Now, as I mentioned in my video yesterday, I am not a huge fan of false lashes. They're just not something that I reach for. I get very frustrated with false lashes. Every single time I try to put them on, I feel like the glue behaves differently, and it's probably just user error. And lashes, sometimes they just kind of, I don't know, they freak me out. I have very small hooded eyes. A gal yesterday on my first unboxing, she commented that they do look pretty overwhelming, but once you apply them, they can actually look very fluttery and beautiful. And she said that I should give them a chance. So I probably will. Sometimes I do like to step out of my comfort zone and pop on a pair of false lashes if I'm doing more of a fun, intense look. So we'll see. I'll think about it. These are beautiful nonetheless, but again, they're just not something that I would reach for all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and set those aside for now, and let's see what else is in the box. I am feeling some makeup brushes. So there are 3 brushes in this box. So since this is a 5-piece set, I'm assuming that there's only one other item in here, and I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow palette, but we'll see. So the first brush that I see here is the M428. This is a deluxe duo fiber shadow brush. I don't own any dual fiber shadow brushes, so that is kind of unique. Not something that I would think to reach for. If you guys know what you would normally use a brush like this for, as far as, I know it's for eyeshadow, but what kind of technique, leave me a comment down below, because to be completely honest, I really don't know. I know that dual fibers tend to really diffuse product. They kind of lay down a lighter application, so this might be nice for if you've already got some shadow on and you want to further blend out some shadows, or maybe if you went in too heavy of a hand, something like this might come in handy. Wow, I can't talk. To, you know, blend out shadows, or if you're just looking for more of a lighter, softer look, I can see where something like this might work. So leave me a comment down below if you own this brush and what you might use it for, because that will be very helpful and beneficial to me. Let's move on to the next brush. This is the M519 Crease Blender Brush. This one looks to be a little bit smaller, and I am a huge fan of that. So this is just a regular, rounded, tapered crease brush, right up my alley. As I just mentioned, I do have smaller hooded eyes, so brushes that just tend to be a little bit on the smaller side, can be a little bit more detailed, are beneficial, very beneficial to me when I'm creating my eye looks. So if you have hooded eyes, try out some smaller brushes. They will become your very best friend when it comes to laying down shades in the crease and achieving a beautiful blended look that just doesn't end up so 80s and just whoosh all the way up to the brow. So yes, this is a beautiful brush. I can definitely see myself using this one. We've got one more brush and something interesting right off the bat that I'm noticing. This is in Morphe's old branding. This is the M531. This just looks like either just a very large crease brush or something that could even be used for highlighting. Let me show it to you right here. And as you can see, this is in Morphe's old branding. Very strange because the other two brushes are in the new branding, and even the plastic sleeve that this came in is completely different than the other ones. Whatever, a brush is a brush to me. It's still gonna perform the same whether it's branded differently or not. So those are the three brushes. Let's go ahead and reach in and grab the last item, which feels like a massive palette. What do we have? The Morphe James Charles collab. This is the Unleash Your Inner Artist Artistry palette. I actually did review this on my channel. I did own this palette for a while, and then I hate to say it, you guys, I did end up decluttering it. So I am going to go ahead and save this for a giveaway to give it to someone that I know will actually really appreciate it. The reason why is that I'm just not a huge fan of rainbow or rainbow-ish palette. This palette is also absolutely massive. It is huge. I did like the formula. I did enjoy that. I remember when I did my review, I reached into the green and yellow shades. Let me just open this and show it to you. So I had used these shades right here and they did blend beautifully. I did dip into the neutrals just a bit, but like I said, this just isn't something that I personally would reach for. And I can't lie, you guys, I'm a little bit bummed that this is the palette that I got. I don't like to be too negative about mystery boxes because it is what it is. There's no guarantee of what you're going to get. It's a mystery after all, right? So it is a surprise. I mean, they could have put a way worse palette in here. They could have put the Bronze Goals palette, which I did not like at all. At least this is a good formula and it is a really good price point. Obviously, I think this is valued at what, $43 or $49 or somewhere in there. And the box is only $35. So obviously you're getting your money's worth if you do get this palette inside of your box. And I'm not too upset. Like I said, I can put it into a giveaway to share with my subscribers and someone that would really, truly appreciate it. But like I said, I do kind of wish I would have gotten something else. I own the Jaclyn Hill palette and I've had that one for a couple years. Hell, I wouldn't have mind getting another original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette because I'm probably expired on that one and probably need to replace it because I absolutely love that palette. It's one of my all-time favorites. So let's just go ahead and recap. Obviously, we had the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. I did get three eye brushes right here. I don't know what this one is. What was it? The M531 because it didn't have a description. It looks like either a very large fluffy crease brush or something that could even be used as like a highlighter brush, which is what I will probably use it for. It is very soft. These brushes do feel very nice. So I am impressed with the three brushes that I got in this kit, or this mystery box, I should say. And then I also got the Morphe Premium Lashes in the style of luxurious. So would I say that this box was worth it? I mean, value-wise, obviously, yes. I far surpassed what I paid for the box. From that standpoint, it is worth it, obviously, for the amount of money that I paid. But I just really do wish that I would have gotten I just really wish I would have gotten a different palette personally, but it's fine. Love the larger box. I would say if you're debating between the two, it is worth it to purchase the larger box for the $15 extra. You're getting 4 more items in there. I got like 4 lip products. Did I get 2 or 3 brushes? I think I got 3 brushes, and then I got a pair of lashes, and then I got an eyeshadow palette. So for me, that larger box, I feel like you're getting just a little bit more of a bang for your buck as far as variety goes. I think that this box, again, like I said, $35, and I already got 1 item in this box, far surpassed what I paid for it, so it's worth it too. Obviously, you have to decide what's in your budget. Do you like mystery boxes? You can't go into this thinking like, oh, I'm so mad I got this item in the box, because it's a mystery box. It is what it is. It's part of the fun. Leave me a comment down below if you have decided to order one of these Morphe mystery boxes. Do you think that you're going to pass this time? Do you like watching videos like this? I'm really into it recently. I don't know why. I just love a good mystery box. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you enjoy it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you get notifications when I upload videos just like this one. I love you guys so much. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.